Welcome to the V999 platform. Please take a few minutes for this tutorial. In the next few minutes, we will show you the functionality and advantages of the V999 platform. Immediately after logging in, you will find yourself in the Genesis market. Here you will find the trading market. You will find the wallet area here. If you don't have any credit yet, you can start there and load different amounts of different currencies. Here you can find your trading statistics. To make a deposit, click on either Wallet or Deposit. To make a deposit, you must first create the corresponding wallet addresses. Click on Generate Address. To load funds, click on Deposit and copy the address that appears, or scan the QR code to send the desired amount. As soon as the transaction has received the necessary blockchain confirmations, you will find your deposit here in this overview. After you have added funds to your wallet, you can start trading. Here in the top left corner, you will find the Genesis market. The Genesis market offers you the possibility to buy the gold-backed V999 token. Choose the amount of V999 tokens you want to buy and click on Buy V999. Check again that your details are correct and click on Buy V999. After the purchase, you will immediately find the V999 tokens you have just bought in the upper left. Go to Trading Statistics. There you will find the V999 tokens you bought on the Genesis market. Simply unique is that with all the V999 tokens you have bought on the Genesis market, you will participate in all the V999 tokens traded on the trading market for life. Every day, 0.02% of the trading volume equals 10% of the transaction fees and is shared proportionally with all Genesis market buyers. By the 30th of June 2021, participation will double the share to 0.04%, which equals 20% of the transaction fees. Switch to the trading market now. At the trading market, you have the option to trade the V999 token and the GNS token against different cryptocurrencies. Choose any currency pair you want to trade. Start trading by selling V999, for example. Remarkable about trading the V999 token is that you generate trade mining rewards by trading the V999. The trade mining rewards will be immediately booked into your GNS wallet and listed in the bonus section. According to the Genius algorithm, at this time every fifth trade generates a new GNS token. The more GNS tokens created over time, the more trades will be necessary to create additional GNS tokens. Understand that the fewer trades you need to generate trade mining rewards, the earlier you trade. Repeat the process as often as you like. For example, switch currency pairs and keep trading to generate trade mining rewards. For trade mining, every completed trade counts, whether buying or selling. You generate another GNS token with every 5th V999 trade you complete, booked directly into your wallet. Be ready for the welcome bonus. According to the Genius white paper, you will receive a welcome bonus of 50 GNS tokens for the first 5 GNS tokens you generate. Under Trading Statistics, you will find a complete overview of all your trades. Remember, all the V999 tokens you have bought on the Genesis market will give you lifetime participation in the V999 trading volume. And there is another benefit of the V999 platform where you can participate in the trading volume of the V999. Hold the GNS token in your platform wallet and earn an additional share of up to 0.03%. By holding the GNS token in your wallet, 0.01% is shared proportionally with all holders who have at least 150 GNS in their wallet. From 500 GNS tokens, 0.02%, and from 1,000 GNS tokens, 0.03%, as long as the tokens are in the wallet. Now that you have successfully deposited funds, traded and understood how to earn passive income with the V999 platform, we will now show you how to withdraw your funds. Click on Wallet. Click on Withdrawal. Enter your wallet address where you want to send your withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm your withdrawal request with your 2-step authentication code. Submit the withdrawal request. Directly afterwards, you will receive a confirmation email in which you have to confirm your withdrawal request by clicking on the link. You can then check your withdrawal in the wallet under Withdraw. We wish you much success working with the V999 platform. On the trading market, the V999 is traded based on the London fixed price and thus offers a solid alternative to other stable tokens. And keep in mind, every V999 is a piece of gold.